Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Freshworks CRM agents using MFA enforcement step by step clearly. To authenticate Freshworks CRM agents using MFA enforcement, start by logging into your Freshworks CRM admin account. Navigate to the Settings page from the dashboard. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Security option. Locate the section titled Multi-Factor Authentication. Here, you will see options for enabling MFA for your agents. Toggle the switch to enable multi-factor authentication. You can choose to enforce MFA for all agents or make it optional. If enforcing MFA, ensure you communicate this change to all agents. Next, select the preferred method of MFA, such as SMS or Authenticator app. Save your changes to apply the MFA settings. Inform your agents to set up MFA the next time they log in. Agents should go to their account settings upon their next login. Here, they will find an option to set up multi-factor authentication. Agents can choose their preferred MFA method, either SMS or an Authenticator app. Once the method is selected, agents will follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup process. They will need to enter the verification code sent to their chosen method. Confirm the code to finalize their MFA setup. Remind agents to keep their MFA method accessible for future logins. Monitor the status of MFA under the security settings. Regularly review and update your MFA policies as needed to enhance security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.